Bust the rhymes, yo. Word mother, yo. Check it out, yo. Just swing to the left, swing to the right. Make it feel good, make it feel alright. One time, feel good, yeah, yo. Bust the rhymes in the place, yo. Making you feel real. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. So, I have the pleasure of working with Allie Grace Hair today. Big shout out to them for allowing me to try out this wig. These are all of the goodies that came in my package. They sent me out a bonnet, an elastic band. This is a pamphlet that came in the box, and this is the wig. So I have a 20, I think it's a 22 or 24 inch wig. I have this in a 4x4 closure, and the density is 180% density. So dangerous, we so dangerous. My flip mode squad is dangerous. So dangerous, we so dangerous. So I am using my bed head hard head spray to apply my wig. Yeah, y'all. So the hair on this wig is really soft, y'all. Really soft. I did go in and bleach the knots on this wig, and I plucked the hairline. The knots bleached really good. The hairline, it took a little work for me to get it, plucked. It did come kind of pre-plucked, but I would suggest you plucking it if you want more of a natural appearance. And again, I did go in and pluck some. I didn't have time to really pluck it how I wanted it to, but yeah, I did pluck my wig. But other than that, I had no issues with this wig, y'all. It pressed out beautifully. It's a nice, easy go style. Like if you want to just have something to pop on and go, it's a really good, convenient style. So this is great for beginners or for people that just don't like to do all of the hassle when it comes to wigs. So if you're interested in this wig, or the company, of course, I have their information in my description box. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. And big shout out to Allie Grace Hair again for allowing me to try this wig. I haven't worked with them in years, so it was great to work with them once again. I really appreciate it. So yeah, y'all, I'm done talking. I'm gone. Love y'all. See a nigga landscaping my lawn. Dangerous, my nigga should be accurate. Half dead, the phobia so immaculate. Hey yo, I take my dough, sipping my mo. Sipping it slow, them pretty bitches saying hello. Anyway, go ahead and display your olive oil. Little hoodie dip whipping a little cabriolet. I don't mean to hold you up, but I got something to say. Swear to only give you hot shit every day. Afraid of us, you know this ain't a game to us. You strange to us, that's when we getting dangerous. Come on. This is serious. We could make you delirious. You should have a healthy fear of us. Cause too much of us is dangerous, so dangerous, we so dangerous. My flip mode squad is dangerous, so dangerous, we so dangerous. My whole entire unit is dangerous. Hold your breath, we swinging it from right to left. With the rock left, nigga should be hot to death. Staying alive, you know only the strongest survive. Holding my heat, under my seat, whipping the fire. Baseline for all of my people moving around. Give me your down, all of my niggas holding it down. Cutting you up, the new shit, rocking you up, fucking you up. My black hole, sucking you up. Back in the days, that nigga used to be ass out. Now a nigga holding several money market account. Blaze the beat, and then I would just like to announce. Feeling my groove, my jigga, making you bounce. Others is bad, me and my niggas breaking the bread. Straight getting it, we got you niggas holding your head. Afraid of us, you know this ain't the game to us. You strange to us, that's when we getting dangerous. Come on, this is serious. We could make you delirious. You should have a healthy fear of us. Cause too much of us is dangerous, so dangerous, we so dangerous. My flip mode squad is dangerous, we so dangerous, we so dangerous. My whole entire unit is dangerous. Come on. One time, y'all, throw your hands real high, y'all. Yeah, get down, y'all. Let me see you all, y'all. Bust the rhymes, flip mode, y'all. 1998, y'all. Get down, y'all. Bust the rhymes, y'all. Word mother, y'all. Check it out, y'all. Just swing to the left, swing to the right. Make it feel good, make it feel alright. One time, feel good, yeah, yo. Bust the rhymes in the place, yo. Making you feel real good, yo. Flip Moses squad in the place, yo.
Buck wild to all of my niggas who don't care. Floss like a bunch of young black millionaires. Making you run me and my done stacking my one. Floss little invest up in the mutual fund. Flowing on a sense of every day I was born. Never dream I see a nigga landscaping my lawn. Dangerous, my nigga should be accurate. Half the head, the food be so immaculate. Hey yo, I take my dough, sipping my mo. Sipping it slow, them pretty bitches saying hello. Anyway, go ahead and display your olive oil. Little hoodie dip whipping a little cabriolet. I don't mean to hold you up, but I got something to say. Swear to only give you hot shit every day. Afraid of us, you know this ain't a game to us. You strange to us, that's when we getting dangerous. Come on.
This is serious. We could make you delirious. You should have a healthy fear of us. Cause too much of us is dangerous. So dangerous, we so dangerous. My flip mode squad is dangerous. So dangerous, we so dangerous. My whole entire unit is dangerous.
Hold your breath, we swinging it from right to left. With the rock left, nigga should be hot to death. Staying alive, you're the only the strongest survive. Holding my heat under my seat, whipping the fire. Baseline for all of my people moving around. Give me it down, all of my niggas holding it down. Cutting you up, the new shit, rocking you up, fucking you up. My black hole, sucking you up. Back in the days, that nigga used to be ass out. Now a nigga holding several money market account. Blaze the beat, and then I would just like to announce. Feeling my groove, my jigga, making you bounce. Others is bad, making my niggas breaking the bread. Straight getting it, we got you niggas holding your head. Afraid of us, you know this ain't the game to us. You strange to us, that's when we getting dangerous. Come on.
This is serious. We could make you delirious. You should have a healthy fear of us. Cause too much of us is dangerous. So dangerous, we so dangerous. My flip mode squad is dangerous. We so dangerous, we so dangerous. My whole entire unit is dangerous. Come on.
One time, y'all, throw your hands real high, y'all. Yeah, get down, y'all. Let me see you all, y'all. Bust the rhymes, flip mode, y'all. 1998, y'all. Get down, y'all.
Bust the rhymes, y'all. Word mother, y'all. Check it out, y'all. Just swing to the left, swing to the right. Make it feel good, make it feel alright. One time, feel good, yeah, yo. Bust the rhymes in the place, yo. Making you feel real good, yo. Flip Moses squad in the place, yo.
Buck wild to all of my niggas who don't care. Floss like a bunch of young black millionaires. Making you run me and my done stacking my one. Floss little invest up in the mutual fund. Flowing on a sense of every day I was born. Never dream I see a nigga landscaping my lawn. Dangerous, my nigga should be accurate. Half the head, the food be so immaculate. Hey yo, I take my dough, sipping my mo. Sipping it slow, them pretty bitches saying hello. Anyway, go ahead and display your olive oil. Little hoodie dip whipping a little cabriolet. I don't mean to hold you up, but I got something to say. Swear to only give you hot shit every day. Afraid of us, you know this ain't a game to us. You strange to us, that's when we getting dangerous. Come on.
This is serious. We could make you delirious. You should have a healthy fear of us. Cause too much of us is dangerous. So dangerous, we so dangerous. My flip mode squad is dangerous. So dangerous, we so dangerous. My whole entire unit is dangerous.
Hold your breath, we swinging it from right to left. With the rock left, nigga should be hot to death. Staying alive, you're the only the strongest survive. Holding my heat under my seat, whipping the fire. Baseline for all of my people moving around. Give me it down, all of my niggas holding it down. Cutting you up, the new shit, rocking you up, fucking you up. My black hole, sucking you up. Back in the days, that nigga used to be ass out. Now a nigga holding several money market account. Blaze the beat, and then I would just like to announce. Feeling my groove, my jigga, making you bounce. Others is bad, making my niggas breaking the bread. Straight getting it, we got you niggas holding your head. Afraid of us, you know this ain't the game to us. You strange to us, that's when we getting dangerous. Come on.
This is serious. We could make you delirious. You should have a healthy fear of us. Cause too much of us is dangerous. So dangerous, we so dangerous. My flip mode squad is dangerous. We so dangerous, we so dangerous. My whole entire unit is dangerous. Come on.
One time, y'all, throw your hands real high, y'all. Yeah, get down, y'all. Let me see you all, y'all. Bust the rhymes, flip mode, y'all. 1998, y'all. Get down, y'all.
Bust the rhymes, y'all. Word mother, y'all. Check it out, y'all. Just swing to the left, swing to the right. Make it feel good, make it feel alright. One time, feel good, yeah, yo. Bust the rhymes in the place, yo. Making you feel real good, yo. Flip Moses squad in the place, yo.
Buck wild to all of my niggas who don't care. Floss like a bunch of young black millionaires. Making you run me and my done stacking my one. Floss little invest up in the mutual fund. Flowing on a sense of every day I was born. Never dream I see a nigga landscaping my lawn. Dangerous, my nigga should be accurate. Half the head, the food be so immaculate. Hey yo, I take my dough, sipping my mo. Sipping it slow, them pretty bitches saying hello. Anyway, go ahead and display your olive ole. Little honey dip whipping a little cabriolet. I don't mean to hold you up, but I got something to say. Swear to only give you hot shit every day. Afraid of us, you know this ain't a game to us. You strange to us, that's when we getting dangerous. Come on.
This is serious. We could make you delirious. You should have a healthy fear of us. Cause too much of us is dangerous. So dangerous, we so dangerous. My flip mode squad is dangerous. So dangerous, we so dangerous. My whole entire unit is dangerous.
Hold your breath, we swinging it from right to left. With the rock left, nigga should be hot to death. Staying alive, you're the only the strongest survive. Holding my heat, under my seat, whipping the fire. Baseline for all of my people moving around. Give me it down, all of my niggas holding it down. Cutting you up, the new shit, rocking you up, fucking you up. My black hole, sucking you up. Back in the days, that nigga used to be ass out. Now a nigga holding several money market account. Blaze the beat, and then I would just like to announce. Feeling my groove, my jigga, making you bounce. Others is bad, making my niggas breaking the bread. Straight getting it, we got you niggas holding your head. Afraid of us, you know this ain't the game to us. You strange to us, that's when we getting dangerous. Come on.
This is serious. We could make you delirious. You should have a healthy fear of us. Cause too much of us is dangerous. So dangerous, we so dangerous. My flip mode squad is dangerous. We so dangerous, we so dangerous. My whole entire unit is dangerous. Come on.